In this video we discover from archives around Wales the kinds of challenges Welsh people faced in the past. Glamorgan Archives found a snapshot of Penallta coal miner circa 1930. Covered head to toe in coal dust, he's taking a bath at home after a challenging day at work. But his poor wife has her own challenges. To boil the water, fill the bath every day, and wash his grimy clothes. Talk about back-breaking labour. And let's not forget the complete lack of privacy as his daughters casually read nearby. The daily challenges our Welsh ancestors tackled over the centuries might seem harsh to us today, but they were part of daily life back then. It's hard for many of us to imagine how they managed, and modern technology has us spoilt. Dive into your local archive service to unearth mind-boggling treasures and discover the types of challenges people lived through in the past to help make Wales the place it is today. Don't forget to like the video and let us know what you've discovered at your local archives in the comments.